Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Parkside tape dispenser set, ideal for packing boxes, sealing parcels and other general adhesive tape applications. So let's open the box to find out more about this product. It includes two rolls, 66 meters, 50 millimeter the diameter, another one, pre-install it. We have the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. Made with robust plastic and metal components for longevity and consistent performance. Lightweight design, easy to handle and carry for versatile use. Features an ergonomic grip for reduced strain during extended use. Here we have this black roller. The blade is recessed to minimize accidental contact. The tension is holding the tape. To replace the tape, just pull and install the new tape. Now to install the tape, pull this end. Here. And it is ready. Useful for masking, bundling or rappelling materials. Accommodates most standard sized adhesive tape rolls, offering flexibility up to 50 mm. With adjustable tension control, ensures even tape dispensing and reduces tape wrinkling. And that's the Parkside tape dispenser set, compact, sturdy and easy to use. It's the perfect companion for packing, crafting or organizing tasks. Whether you are preparing for a big move or tackling everyday projects, this set makes taping quick and hassle-free. If this review was helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical product reviews, DIY tips and organizational hacks. Thanks for watching. And as always, stay organized, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.